Oh, good morning, party people. You know what we're doing today? We're gonna make me go backwards in age. Today's a time travel video. I'm gonna go from being 30 to 12 very quickly. Court, you come here for a second, please. What are we doing today?
Taking the beard off.
Yeah, Court doesn't want me to, but we're gonna shave my face today. Thought, you know what? New program, new diet, new videographer, new face.
10 years younger.
Yeah.
Or 20.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. A little bit nervous, but we're gonna jump in first. Come in, you know this guy here. Hey Nick! Hey! So Nick's gonna do a haircut first. We're not gonna go on the details of that because you guys have seen that before. And then gonna show us his fancy barber skills.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
How often do you actually do like cutthroat, like proper barber shaves?
Proper shaves? Well, to be honest, this is actually my first. I've actually never done it before. No, I'm joking. I've done it many times. Do you get a little bit nervous there? A little bit of nervous when we come out?
I trust you. I always like associate that with like your old school like English barber shops where you got like the line of guys in the chair all like laying back and done, and guys do it like, before they go to work or whatever it is.
Yeah.
It's like that just doesn't happen the same way anymore.
No, definitely not. I think because we're, you know, getting deep into it, but like people haven't got enough time for it.
We're all busy people.
Really busy people. Alright, you want to head back?
Here's the thing with my face, well, Court likes whatever I've just had. So when I had a big beard, Court was like, I liked it before when it was smaller, and then I trimmed it down. She's like, I liked it just when it was bigger. And then when I had a moustache, she's like, I prefer when you had a beard or when you didn't have the moustache. So I gave her the moustache. She's like, oh, I prefer when you had a moustache. The grass is always greener. Now the skin's getting clean.
Alright, we're done.
God damn. Done.
Dun, dun, dun.
I half regret this decision.
How you feeling?
I feel like a new man. I feel like half a man. I feel like half my face is gone. I haven't had a chance to touch it yet though, so we'll find out in a second how it feels.
There you go, my friend.
So fresh.
Look at that. Baby boom, baby boom.
I can't wait to finish high school. It's gonna be so good.
Very exciting. Alright.
Well, how you feeling?
I'm not sure.
Just new. You'll get used to it. Plus I'll be in 3 days.
Thank God.
Like not having even like a spike to rub my lip again.
Yeah.
It feels very weird. This will be for the next 3 hours, just staring at me from afar, trying to figure out who is that guy.
Who is it? Who is it?
It's new me.
Alright, thanks for watching today, guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you
Next week.
next week.